KennedySkater21 and undeadarmywat. Firecracker experiment. Well,
You won't let me like these.
until later. God. Firecracker experiment. Wow, my camera starts to lag when I'm down here. You see how my mouth's doing? Like, up. It's because I'm on the ground. Dude, my camera's lagging. Wow, I feel like I'm Japanese. Okay, experiment number 1. Oh god, please don't burn my laptop.
Please burn his face.
Please blow his balls off. Wait, they aren't balls, they're grapes. Ah!
That could actually happen the way I'm sitting.
I have to make sure I can get in the shot. Nope. Nope. Nope.
You gotta like hold it. It's just a quick little sparkle fire. It's not gonna hurt that much. It's not like you have gasoline on your hand.
I'm not scared. I just want to have a thumb.
Oh, dude, spider.
Where? Oh, ham!
Come on, buddy. Come on. Ah, crushed. Crushed. Crushed with firecrackers. I just saved Tad's life from the spider.
Ah!
Saved his life from.
You saved my life, but not my thumb. Dude, it didn't do anything to my thumb. Like, I just have a little black mark right there, and it's not my skin. I checked twice, and here's my hand where
That spider crushed him.
No one can give a damn about your spider. Firework test number 1.
You're the one that was.
KennedySkater21 and undeadarmywat. Firecracker, I mean not firecracker, but bottle rocket test number 2. We used the plastic cap from before and put it on top, and now we're gonna see what happens. Allah, have mercy on Adam's soul. Jeebus, please remind me why I hang out with him again.
Because it's fun hanging out with me?
Nah.
So what, you saying I'm not fun?
I'm not saying you're Tristan. I'm just saying... I don't know what I'm saying. Bending the fuse up. Hiding it. Ignition! Oh! I thought that was wide for a minute. Oh!
I set up a firecracker in the background. It was the one with the big green fuse, so it was louder.
I got an idea. What if we actually do light those off?
Like, hold on.
The screamers.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Let's do it.
Okay, if we do it, we're lighting it off over there. Everything's going to be packed up except the laptop. And we're going to hide in the bathroom for a while. Now we're going to go to the river. No, not the river, but the little bridge that's under there. We can stay there. Fine, but we're having the backpack.
I'm making a little makeshift dynamite kind of thing here. Wait!
Whoa, I can't light it here.
Why?
Because it's going to the ceiling.
Is it what?
We're going to the ceiling.
Yeah, I was about to...
Ready? You ready?
It didn't work!
Are you watching? Are you watching?
I'm coming.
That's what you always do with your right hand. Oh! Ready? Asshole, boy! watching this, you just saw us light off fireworks. And if you're watching this right now, we have cops that are up there.
They're waiting for us to fire something off.
They're either waiting or they know one of us did it. Adam, did he see you?
I don't know. I've been sitting down here before he came in.
I'm pretty sure because
He took that little loop, so I'm pretty sure he saw me. But I was just sitting here with the laptop open, so, and I didn't have anything on me.
And I walked out of the bathroom
With the backpack.
filled with
They
fireworks.
probably think it's you.
We need to get rid of the backpack. Can we stash it somewhere?
I don't know.
Fuck.
Where are we gonna stash it so they don't see us?
Damn it.
We're kind of in a corner right now.
They can't see what we're doing right now.
See the fence and woods behind us and cops, you know, over there somewhere. I don't know if I got him in the shot. I guess.
I got an idea. We have
I
to.
guess.
I got an
Laptop's
idea.
about to die in like 15 minutes.
Okay, I guess we're gonna end the video. We're gonna stash the bag or fuck. I got an idea. We're gonna have to get rid of the fireworks somewhere.
I don't know, man. We got dynamite in there.
Oh damn. They can fingerprint that shit. Damn it. We're fucked on what to do, so we're gonna wait out here.